Well, hi there guys, just a quick video to go through the flat earth theory and things that are coming up. It's on one of the 330 Illuminati cards, the card game, which I think was made in 1991. It was on one of the original cards, the flat earth theory, and I think basically there's no truth to it. There's no truth to it whatsoever. Basically, I do believe that there is a sphere shape in the earth. It does seem to suggest that very, very clearly. However, what the Bible does say is that the earth is fixed, and so what the scientists try to tell us is that the earth moves around the sun at a speed of, I believe it's 66,000 miles an hour, they say. Now, if this was possible, why does the North Star never actually move in the sky? If you actually see a picture of the stars, constellations overnight, and you see that they're actually rotating around the North Star. And so that seems to suggest, or it does suggest, that either the universe is rotating around the earth, or the earth is rotating, and it has the effect of basically a movement in the sky, but the North Star stays in the same place. And so the earth, if it was moving at 66,000 miles an hour, not only would the stars be rotating, but they would actually be going in a certain direction. And so, you know, if you take the slow time sequence camera and you look at the evidence at the end of that, what you would see is stars which are sort of going like this and also going in a certain direction at the same time. So there'd be movement within the stars. So that doesn't happen. So that suggests that in fact the earth is stationary. It doesn't actually move. I believe the earth is rotating on a 24-hour axis, okay, and I think that's the basic truths that I've been able to take from the flat earth theory. Watched a few videos on it. There's a few Christian people now commenting on it, and atheists commenting on it. You know, do I believe that the USA reached the moon, or Russia reached the moon, or China reached the moon? I think it's possible. Definitely without a manned spacecraft is possible. Seems to suggest that the Van Allen belt would instantly kill any human being who went through that Van Allen belt, who therefore would be exposed to massive doses of radiation. There's also some very good videos on the fact that one of the Apollo missions, I can't remember which one it was, but there was one of them where the shuttle actually exploded, killing, I believe it was 6 or 7 cosmonauts, and yet these cosmonauts were actually seen after the event, and either they changed their name or said they had a twin brother or sister, or they just continued as they were and nobody really said anything. So that one, there's obviously things going on within that. I do believe that the Mona Lisa body was in fact a Nephilim, what you might describe as a breed of Homo sapien, human being, which her DNA was actually altered through taking the microchip which is in our forehead. All you need to do is Google Mona Lisa, which is the so-called alien that's found on the moon. I believe she probably started off on the earth somewhere. It's also believed that there are fallen angelic colonies, or their children are called the Nephilim, referred to as the Nephilim, all around